Customer states, here's a strange noise from the engine compartment. Funny thing, I can hear it rowdy inside. Sounds like rattling. I don't know how well y'all can hear it right here, but definitely sounds a bit weird. If I rock this engine, y'all hear that? How it comes and goes? Pressing on this mount, it goes away. Y'all hear that? I'll be recommending that motor mount for a freaking noise, not because it has movement or is whatever, but due to the noise only. So we'll see if the extended warranty wants to buy, because it's silver rock. Ugh.